We'd like to introduce the stepping motor driver IC technology, advanced current detection system. Do you have any problems with motor drivers?
We find it difficult to reduce mounting space and wiring area, because the resistor for constant current detection is large. Do you have any good ideas?
We are proposing ACDS technology. Conventionally, the constant current is detected from the voltage drop of the external resistor. ACDS detects current from the voltage drop of the internal transistor. This is our original technology that eliminates external resistors for constant current detection, which have been conventionally required for every channel. This is a board pattern equipped with ACDS. It does not need the space for external resistors required conventionally. Stable constant current control that is not easily influenced by disturbance is realized.
With ACDS, the flexibility of wiring layout is improved, and BOM cost can be reduced.
Please don't hesitate to try.
We'd like to consider ACDS right away. Do you have any samples?
ACDS is applied to TB67S128, 249, 508, 149, and so on. For samples, please contact our sales department. We are developing new products, applying ACDS one after another. For detailed information about the products, please visit our web page.